Attention North Huron Blyth Fire. Please respond for mutual aid for Goderich to Golf Course Road. It'll be at the very end of Golf Course Road where it veers north by the water. They have a cottage on fire at that location and they're looking for some tanker support. Again, that's a request for tanker support from Goderich Fire on Golf Course Road for a cottage on fire. Time of page 72600. Attention North Huron Blyth Fire. Please respond for mutual aid tanker support on Golf Course Road for Goderich Fire. They have a cottage on fire at that location. It'll be at the very end of Golf Course Road where it goes north right along the water. Again, that's on Golf Course Road. Mutual aid request for tanker support from Goderich. Time of second page 726:45.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Car 1.
Go ahead, Car 1.
Dispatch page acknowledged for the fly station.
That's Roger, Car 1. Page acknowledged. Thank you.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Car 1.
Car 1, go ahead.
Dispatch just received a call from the Goderich chief. He'd like 2 tankers, so we'll send tank 8 and tank 9 from the fly station.
That's Roger. You just spoke with the Goderich chief. They're requesting tank 8 and tank 9, 2 tankers at that location. 727:53.
Fire dispatch, tank 8.
Tank 8, go ahead.
You can show tank 8 responding to Belton.
That's Roger.
Fire dispatch, North Huron tank 9.
Tank 9, go ahead.
Show tank 9 responding, car 3, Foxtrot plus 2 Belton.
Oh, that's Roger. I copied tank 9. You're responding, car 3 plus 2 belted. I'm not sure if you said something else in there. I can copy.
Fire dispatch, tank 9 responding, car 3, Foxtrot plus 2 belted.
Thank you for that. I copied Foxtrot plus 2 belted and car 3.
Fire dispatch, tank 8.
Tank 8, go ahead.
You can show tank 8 is on scene.
That's Roger.
Fire dispatch, North Huron tank 9.
Tank 9, go ahead.
You can show tank 9 arriving on scene. We'll be flipping over to Goderich frequency.
That's Roger.
Fire dispatch, car 1.
Go ahead, car 1.
Dispatch, can you mark North Huron ladder 2 out of service for pump testing?
Roger that. Ladder 2 out of service for pump testing. It is 8:25:15. Attention North Huron Wingham Fire. Car 1 requesting tank 4 out of the Wingham station to be on standby in Belgrave due to the active fire in Goderich. Again, car 1 requesting tank 4 respond to Belgrave for standby. Attention North Huron Wingham Fire. Attention North Huron Wingham. Car 1 is requesting tank 4 out of the Wingham station to stand by in Belgrave due to the active fire in Goderich. Again, car 1 requesting tank 4 out of the Wingham station to stand by in Belgrave. Time of Wingham pages 8:40:10.
Fire dispatch, car 1 acknowledging page. Thank you.
Roger that, car 1. You've acknowledged. You're welcome. It's 8:40:21.
Fire Dispatch, North Huron, Tank 4.
Tank 4, go ahead.
You can show Tank 4 respond to Belgrave code 1 for standby. Bravo plus 1 Delta.
That's Roger.
Fire Dispatch, North Huron, car 1.
Go ahead, car 1.
Dispatch, you can mark our North Huron ladder 2 back in service and mark engine 1 out of service for testing.
That's Roger. Engine 1 is now out of service, ladder 2 back in service. 10-13-24.
Bravo, car 1. Go ahead, car 1. I'm going to move you to Blythe Station while I bring engine 6 back here for pump testing. Roger that. So you'll have tank 4 and car 1, and then I'll bring engine 1 back down there. Yep, roger that.
Fire Dispatch, North Huron, Tank 9.
Go ahead.
Dispatch, you can show Tank 9 released from scene, returning to Blythe Station.
That's Roger.
Fire Dispatch.
Sorry, you calling, you can go ahead.
Dispatch, it's North Huron, car 1. Sorry, Dispatch, a couple of radios on here. You can mark engine 1 is now back in service, engine 6 out of service, and engine 1 will be relocated to the Blythe Station.
That's Roger. Engine 1 back in service. Engine 6 is now out of service. Engine 1's going to the Blythe Station. It's 11:42:55. Attention North Huron Fire, Wingham Station. Please respond to 39608 Amberley Road for residents with a confirmed CO alarm going off. That's 39608 Amberley Road. Time of first page is 12:13:44. Attention North Huron Fire, Wingham Station. Please respond to 39608 Amberley Road for residential CO alarm that's going off. That's 39608 Amberley Road, cross streets of Curry Line and Scott Line. Time of page is 12:14:17.
Fire Dispatch, North Huron, car 1.
Go ahead.
Dispatch, page acknowledged for the Wingham Station. I'll have tank 4 and command 1 respond to that.
That's Roger.
Fire Dispatch, North Huron, tank 4.
Go ahead.
Tank 4 is responding, Bravo plus 1 belted.
That's Roger.
Fire Dispatch, North Huron, command 1.
Go ahead.
You can show command 1 responding to Amberley Road, Charlie plus 2 belted.
That's Roger.
Fire Dispatch, you can show command 1 on scene.
That's Roger.
Fire Dispatch, North Huron, tank 4.
Go ahead.
You can show tank 4 on scene.
That's Roger. It's 12:24:48.
Fire Dispatch, call North Huron, Charlie.
Go ahead.
Dispatch, you can show Charlie and command mobile. I've met with the residents of the home. Everyone is out of the structure. We're going to be sending 2 firefighters in on air to do air monitoring.
That's Roger. Charlie and Command in mobile. You met with the homeowners. Everyone is out of the home. Sending 2 firefighters in on air to do air monitoring 122538.
Command, call entry 1. Go ahead. You can show we do have readings of 11 parts per million CO in the front venturi.
That. Entry Team 1, call command.
Go ahead, Command, entry Team 1.
Have you made your way to the basement yet?
Yeah, roger that. We're in the basement now. We still have readings of about 11 or 12 parts per million throughout.
Roger that.
And just be advised, Command, we are still closing windows as we go.
Roger that. Entry Team 1, call command.
Go ahead, Command, entry Team 1.
When you two are done your primary survey on the basement floor and closed up all those windows, can you guys exit that structure?
Yeah, roger that. We've completed the sweep. We'll be exiting the alpha side.
Roger that.
Fire dispatch to tank 8.
Go ahead.
Tank 8 has been released from the scene. We're heading back to Blyth Station.
That's Roger.
Tank 8, car 1.
Who are you calling, Car 1?
I need to know where Tank 8's location is.
Fire Dispatch, North Huron Command.
There's a unit calling. Go ahead.
Fire Dispatch, North Huron Command.
Go ahead.
Dispatch, you can show we did have readings of about 12 ppm throughout this structure. The 2 firefighters have exited. We closed up all the windows, and now they have gone back in to do monitoring again to try to isolate the issue.
That's Roger. Your readings of 12 ppm. 2 firefighters have exited and closed the windows. They've gone back in to do monitoring to isolate the issue. 125502.
Car 3, car 1. Command, call entry 1.
Go ahead.
And we've completed a sweep on the upper level. Same readings as before. We're now checking the basement.
Roger that.
Command, call entry 1.
Go ahead.
We've completed a sweep at the lower level. Minor changes in readings, but we still have some on the far side.
Roger that.
Car 3, call car 1. Command, we'll be exiting alpha side for a face-to-face.
Roger that.
Fire dispatch, North Huron, car 1.
Go ahead.
Dispatch, good mark, engine 6 back in service, and now tank 9 is out of service.
That's Roger.
Fire Dispatch, call North Huron Command.
Fire Dispatch Command, go ahead with your transmission.
Dispatch, we are not able to isolate the means of the CO2. Would you be able to get hold of Union Gas and have them come to this residence? We're going to be shutting off the main gas supply to this house.
That's Roger. I copy you're not able to isolate the CO. You want us to contact Quality Gas, shutting off main gas supply to house at 131110. Fire dispatch to command.
Go ahead.
Union Gas has an ETA of 45 minutes.
Roger that. Thank you very much.
Command, car 1.
Go ahead.
Yeah, I need tank 4 pump testing around 2:15. Between 2 and 2:15, will that be an issue?
No, that's fine. We can release it by then. Car 1, call command.
Go ahead, command, car 1.
Would you be able to run us out a scene release form?
Yeah, Roger. I'm just between Wingham and Blyth at the moment.
Roger that.
Car 1, car 3.
Yeah, go ahead.
Were we meeting, or do you just want me to proceed to out in Amberley Road with the paperwork?
Yeah, Roger, and then I'll meet you back at the Wingham station.
Confirm that. Thank you. Command, car 3.
Go ahead.
Command, I'm just coming into Wingham with your paperwork. What's your location?
If you turn west on Amberley Road, we are out there, 39608.
Confirm that. 39608 Amberley Road.
Command, call entry 1.
Go ahead.
You can show we have completed natural ventilation and we have 0 readings throughout the structure.
Roger that. Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead.
Dispatch, you can show this property is being left with the homeowner. Command is terminated. All units returning to Wingham Station.
That's Roger. Property being left with homeowner. Command terminated. All units returning. 133904.
Fire dispatch, North Huron, car 1.
Go ahead.
You can show all our pump testing complete and all our trucks are back in the proper locations. Thank you for helping out today.
That's Roger. All of your pump testing is complete and all trucks are back in the proper location. It's 15:55:35. Have a good day.